5 Steps to Find an Affiliate Marketing Niche for Beginners. One of the most challenging decisions that you'll have to make when you want to start an affiliate marketing business is deciding which niche you are going to work in. To select a viable niche for your business, you're going to have to do your due diligence and conduct research. If you are struggling to make a decision, here are 5 steps you can take to help you find your affiliate marketing niche. Step 1. Determine your interests and passions. Create a list of your top 10 passion areas and topical interests. Starting an online business is challenging and more than likely it's going to test you early on. If you are a first-time business owner, it is essential for you to work in an area that you care about so you don't lose motivation when you face your first challenges. Step 2. Determine target customers' problems. Once you've decided on your top 10 interests and passions, you can start narrowing down your choices. Start by determining the challenges and problems that the target customers in the niche are experiencing. Once you know what problems they are facing, you can figure out if you can come up with a product or service to help solve those problems. Step 3. Research and study the competition. The presence of healthy competition can show you that you've found a profitable niche. However, it is essential that you thoroughly analyze the competition's websites. You need to see if there is an opportunity for you to stand out from the crowd. Step 4. Determine the potential profitability. After following the previous 3 steps, you should have a good idea of what niche market you are going to enter. Now you need to get an idea of how much money you can potentially make in your chosen market. A great place to start your search is ClickBank. Start by browsing the top products in your niche, then make a note of the price points of the products. If you don't find many offers, it's not a good sign, and you should consider a different niche. Step 5. Take action. While there isn't a perfect process for finding an affiliate niche market that is profitable, these steps will help you get on the right path. Once you've confirmed the viability and profitability of your chosen niche market, you can start developing your website and creating content. Anyone can create a successful, long-term online business from scratch. You need to do the research and hard work that is required to get started. Click the link below this video to claim your 3 free pre-made niche websites. Thank you and have a great day.